Let's double check the AEVO targets updates with my customer said. The good things with AEVO after all of this crazy dump, finally, if I'm correct, so almost all tokens released and in circular supply. So it's good for the token because basically if some market makers, some big whales accumulated this token or get an allocation, I'm more than sure they will put the price a little bit higher or some to the middle term targets, to take a profit because they own and they control the biggest emission, right? So this is a logic. We can't know what will happen next with this token in the future. Maybe the token will pump like this one and the token be delisted. We can't know. In fact, the main decision about the leasing of the tokens, you guys, just recently the Bybit, I guess, delisted 19 trading pairs. So at any moment token can be delisted. I'm in temporary losses, but my entry pretty good one around 13 or 15 cents. So yes, I've been in crazy losses from my entry here, almost 100%, 85%, and it's fun how the people count. So here, this guy who bought it here at 65. He been in losses 96, right? And my entry from here, for example, approximately, let's count from this one, 85. So not a big deal, right? So we just 10 cents difference. But in the fact, guys, it's a huge difference because from this low to my entry, the token should pump 575% gains, right? And to that entry, the token should pump 3,000. So that's a point. I don't know why people still count totally wrong the drop down of the tokens. We have to count from the lowest point of the token to our entry. How much token should recover back in percentage gains, right? Because if the token dumped from your entry 90%, it doesn't mean the token should pump 90% up and you will be at a break even. No, it doesn't work like this one. I don't know why in some 25 people still believe in that stupid stuff about the drops and the DCA strategy, because the influencer all the time they show you buy the deep, buy the deep, buy the deep. It's kind of weird. Why buy the deep every single time if after this deep, after 90% or 50%, we can drop another 50%. So guys, it's not make sense. You have to always accumulate only if you get a plan for this token, if you're ready. And the K for everything around, without our money in this industry, it's money management. That's it. So I add my alert here at 21 cents. So it's a monthly gap. So definitely sooner or later we will test the 23 or 50% of this gap, like 21.50, and we drop it down to 1 cent 77. I don't want to talk in this video about the fundamental of the tokens because it's kind of weird, when the token listed at $4, almost at $4 down to 1 cent. What's the team working on during this last year? What they trying to develop, what they trying to impress us. Why the investors should invest in this project during this downfall? So because of fundamental behind, it's kind of weird. If yes, it's kind of silly fundamental because this fundamental has no value for the price. So I also add alert here, but I added a long time ago, so I need to delete it. Definitely, I believe here, 21 cents, we will reach this one. After that, the next step going to be 75 cents. So this is my take. No makes sense now to draw any FEEB now here, because just crash it down, and we can't know at this current moment. We can't know this is the bottom or not, because we can see something like this one, another bottom. That's why. At least now, after the invalidation of initiation accumulation pump model, you remember, it's a favorable gap. This one. This was initiation accumulation pump model, and the model invalidated because they decide to token unlock 90% in one day. It was an amazing decision. So they just changed the vesting schedule, I guess, and just release all tokens in circular supply, dump the price while they got, I'm more than sure they got the allocation with the airdrop. All right, so the next step, guys, based on this model, is no make sense to count because we drop it down so hard. We can build the FIB uptrend. FIB, if we will pass the 65 cents. This is a liquidity pool. So to talk about a break of structure, we need to pass 65 cents. This is it. This is it. That's why now, guys, it's monthly time frame. Let's focus only on this block. So the most positive case, the block. The most positive case, guys, is at this one. So 1 cent, around 2 cents and 22, 23. So in this block, we have to work now. Let's double check the weekly time frame. Yes, it's monthly 50% will be 21 cents. After that, the full fill will be 26.94. This is it. So it's more than real to see these targets if this was a bottom. So approximately it could be like 1,300% gains. Everything, guys, totally is with different perspective on this market, because for someone who buying here, for example, the 1,000% gains is going to be the best coin ever he buying, right? For someone who buying here, it will be just at break even, and totally different vision of the perspective of this token. That's why, guys, now locally, if it was the bottom, only if we got this impulse correction. So 33 should be more than okay to see, That's why I just work with this block. I add my alerts and track it. If we will pass the 65 cents, we can talk about a potential, pump to $2 or maybe $2.50 to close this weekly gap. So at least now, chart looks horrible. Never say never, because you remember this one, the Zcash, just in one single monthly candle, just erase all 8 years drop. So that's why I don't think so. Of course, the AEVO pump like to $2.50 from 2 cents to $2.50, but just in case, everything possible in crypto. That's why I build my plan, and mostly at 21, I will double check what's going on with the AEVO, and maybe I will decide to at 26 withdraw my initial deposit. So it will be not a mistake, just personally for me, So ADZ direction, guys. This is accumulation, technical accumulation. Oh, it's a dashboard. You can, by the way, highly recommend you use this brand new dashboard. It's give you a lot of additional data, and save a lot of space on a screen while you use it. So ADZ, we're in accumulation, weekly time frame. Monthly, we're in a crazy accumulation. With a crazy accumulation, it was a crazy divergence. Because here, even from June 25, we formed the biggest divergence, and it's bullish. It's extra bullish. And nobody talk about AEVO now. I hope this is not a scam. I hope this will be not delisted, but technically it looks good. We also not close the 50% of the week, but we dump it to 38. All right, more than okay. If we will see the continuation of the downtrend, if we not break this level like 610.54, the next step for correction will be like fundamental wall of the stock on the daily 410.16 again. So just in case, but now it's November 10. So technically, if the November will be, come on, what the hell? So if the November will be green, for the alts, I hope we'll go to take profit. It's 11.52, exit line 12.93. And this is the targets on the daily. On the weekly, unfortunately, there is still no data, for the token. But this is a local targets what we can wait because we already tested the buy line. So yes, 11 on a daily, take profit 11.51, exit line 13. Now it's not a time to sell on ADZ, not even on a weekly, not even on a daily, so everything extra bullish. But I hope, of course, tomorrow the Binance will not decide to, for example, delist. Oh, we decide to delist the token. Because that announcement can crash it down like Cardano, for example, right? Just recently they shut down the project and token dump it minus 50% in one day. So guys, everything is possible in crypto. It makes sense to think about, oh, no, the AEVO will never be delisted. Direction, but I remind you, we work with the current data. We can't know the future, but we build a plan with current data. So the plan might is still relevant for me personally. Direction, we still on the middle line, so it's bullish, extra bullish. Markets mood. We are in a crazy capitulation and disbelief since February 2025. Nice, bullish. Monthly, what I don't like, we're still in aphoria. Kind of weird. Daily, definitely it's disbelief. And money power, guys, daily. Bullish MACD divergency. Bullish, weekly. Money inflow, two money inflow was here at at end of the October. So it's good one, it's bullish. Monthly time frame, we're at the bottom. So that's not like a crazy time to out of AEVO. Time to out will be here. So it's good. It's good. And the last indicator, guys, it's trade on. Weekly time to buy was here. Bounce, fun, but now we still know without signal to buy. Last time it was a pump 43%. Now no signals to buy on the weekly. On the daily, we saw the buyback. Kind of strange because we didn't see the signal to close position from this sell on the daily, but on 12th and from yes, first we saw it. So here September it's only to sell and drop. By the way, everybody sometimes think it's random. It's not random. All signals, for different tokens appear in total different moment because of they calculate the data. Yeah, right. So for some tokens, you saw the signals to sell October 7. And here for AEVO, the signal to sell was September 22. We drop, buy back, but the main drop was here. So after the months, almost the months, over the months, I guess. So here, and this is take profit, buy. So technically good. Correction, I already showed you, it's a 50% of the week. It's one take, but basically we already hold the line at 38 low by FIB. So the next step is here, this one, 50% of the monthly gap. I'm way that targets. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in comment what you think about AEVO. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.